Emotion detection in AI Connect. Artificial intelligence allows computers to analyze and understand human, non-verbal signs such as facial expressions, body language, gestures, and voice tones to assess their emotional state. In the next activity, we are going to detect the emotion of person like happy, sad, angry, and surprise. When we create an AI coding activity and go to facial feature under AI learning category, we can see the following blocks. Load image block allows user to either click picture through camera or load local image from desktop. Get expression count block gets the expression of the given image like happy, sad, angry, surprised, etc. Show image with border block is used to show detected image with and without border on output window. Do the following coding in the AI Connect. Upload the image and click on the Run button.